Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Della and today we will be making a live lobster. Now the live lobster meat is so sweet. It's sweeter than the ones that's frozen or anything else. So first of all I want to make sure, and this is a 4-pounder, but first of all I want to make sure that I put him, you can see how big he is. He's 4-pounder. So I want to put them on some ice and I want to stun them a little bit. It can't fit in here, but we're going to try. Put the ice on, let them sit here for a few minutes. And we'll be right back. Okay, now we're going to put it in the pot. It's a steam pot. All you got to do is put it in. You got to get you a large enough pot to steam it in. Then we're going to put the lid on, as so. And then we'll be back. Okay, the lobster's almost done, but I want to try to get that rubber band off so it won't leave a rubbery taste on it. So we're going to take the rubber band off. One of them off, the other one had to come off. And you want to steam it for 10 pounds per lobster. 10 minutes per pound. That's what I'm trying to say. 10 minutes per pound. So this is a 4-pounder, so we're going to do it for 40 minutes. So just cut that right on off. Now I'm going to put the lid back on it. And you want to put some salt water in there as well. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I thank you in advance. So I'm going to put the lid on it. And I'm going to finish steaming it. It's been on for some time now. We'll come right back. Okay, let's check on it. I already put the butter in the inside, right in the middle, so that I can melt the butter. I'm going to try to get that butter out of there. Okay, we got our melted butter. Okay, now the lobster is done. So we have a little lemon and we have the garlic butter. So that's butter, chives, parsley, basil, and maybe you can sprinkle a little cayenne pepper in it and melt it and mix it all around. Or you can use the olive oil too. So let's get the thing open. Let's see how's the meat. This is the little claw. Look how big that sucker is. The little claw. Have to use a little old-fashioned way right there. Oh shoot, that meat got lost. Try it again. Look at all of that. Put a little lemon on it. See, the live lobster is so sweet. I'm gonna put that to the side. Let's try to open this tail. It's hot. Just twist it and it comes out. Look at that tail. That tail is huge. Nice and huge. You squeeze it like this and it just come round out anyway. Ooh, so hot. I just want to get a little piece of it, y'all. I need some help. That meat thick. Ooh-wee. There's some good eating right here. Woo. And I'm gonna drink a little bit of the Old York a little bit later. That's some thick meat. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. And thank you in advance. Like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye-bye.